Hello you lovely people, welcome back to another video. Bit of an interesting one today, doing the rear brakes on the Audi. Project car, midway through. Mr. Robbie's just reminded me to do some filming, so thank you sir. And they're pretty knackered to be fair, well overdue. So we're just cracking them in now. Show you the little pads. How low these were. Very low. And the new ones. Loads on them bad boys. So.
Hello, you beautiful people.
That's Mr. Collins.
Mr. Robbie 2 minutes ago.
Mr. Robbie, Mr. Collins. Dipstick. And we haven't got the tripod today, so I'll try and prop you up and we'll get some video done.
Jeremy Corbyn and Keir Starmer, when Jeremy Corbyn said, well, I went out and campaigned, I said he was quite popular among ladies.
I want to say a massive thank you all for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, it wasn't a crazy one to be fair, just in the back brakes on the A3 project car. Yeah, getting there really close to it now, getting really good. New wheels going on Monday. This is Saturday at the minute. New wheels about to go on it. That'll be a video in a few weeks time. New tyres. Windscreen's been fixed, that's good. And a lot of work's been done on that car this week, including the brakes, obviously, which you're watching this video. So massive thank you for all watching. Videos every Sunday at 6, as you know. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, post notifications for all the content yet to come. And I'll see you in the next one. From me and the project car, peace out.